Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question what you can do when your taskbar has some strange colorization, for example red from left to right. Unfortunately I can't show you that anymore because I've already solved this issue and there was no way to go back to the old style. I don't know how this happened. Maybe I just hit wrong key by accident. I can't remember. There was really some red color here from the left side. I had almost the impression that it was going from left to right, like with the progress of the day, but I'm not 100% sure about that. But it was very annoying because usually we have some red color in the taskbar around some icons when there is something in progress or when there is a problem, and so this caught my attention and dragging my focus always down here to the taskbar, and so I needed to get rid of that. And so how to do, you can right click and then click on personalize. Of course I'm showing here just the right side of this window because on the left side for some reason Microsoft is still showing my personal information. This is also super annoying, but anyway, here it is. You can choose from one of these themes. You can see we click on that, it has some effect, and not only an effect on the main screen, but it has also some impact on the taskbar. We have even some interesting ones which are changing pictures, changing I think also the tone throughout the day. I'm not sure about that, but this is the standard thing which I like. And then usually I go and just change the background image, which we can do here. So here we can click for that. So I'm basically good with everything except from the background image. And so I'm restoring the old picture here, which I always had. Maybe this one. Yeah, it's a little bit too strong. I guess this one is a little bit better. So I just replaced the picture, but everything down here is still okay. I don't have any reddish color anymore. This is what solved the problem, and if you're in the same situation, I hope this will solve the issue for you too. If you have any questions or comments or other suggestions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.